Imagine yourself in a luxury cottage retreat. This beautiful retreat is located in Gunterville, Alabama. It is 10 acres. There are 4 beautiful cottages. Check it out. These beautiful cottages are designed to give that guest that first-class luxury experience that's second to none. Here's the cool part about these beautiful cottages as well. If you like them and you want to buy one, you can buy them. In this property, we have 4 separate cottages. Each one is very similar, but they have a distinct difference. For example, this cottage where we're at, there's a cargo net for you to sunbathe on. The next cottage next over has a hammock, but they all have, on the interior, they all have the same thing. A king bed, they have a small kitchenette, they have 2 small closets, a beautiful bathroom, AC, Wi-Fi, all the luxuries that you would expect from a 5-star hotel. If you're interested in booking a stay in this beautiful retreat, then just DM me the word Highland.